Robot vacuums have come a long way over the last few years. Although this isn't the latest and greatest model, the Ecovacs X8 Pro OMNI is one packed full of tech. I've been using it as my main robot vacuum for around a year now, cleaning everything from hard floors and carpets to everyday spills in a busy family home. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what it offers, where it excels, and where it falls short. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this and helping the channel grow. And most importantly, at the end, I will give my verdict whether it deserves either a checkout, add it to your basket, or delete. So let's get started. Before we get into my experience, let's take a quick look at what makes the X8 Pro OMNI stand out. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are handled by Ecovacs AIVI 3D3 system. At the front of the robot, you'll find an RGB camera working alongside structured infrared depth sensing to help recognize common household objects such as cables, shoes, and toys. The side sweeper works alongside the True Edge technology to improve cleaning around walls, corners, and furniture. This proximity sensor forms part of Ecovacs AIVI 3D3 system, helping the robot detect nearby walls, furniture, and obstacles so it can navigate confidently while cleaning closer to the edge of your home. Instead of using two spinning mop pads like many competitors, Ecovacs has gone in a different direction with its Osmo roller system. The roller rotates continuously while fresh water is applied and dirty water is scraped away during cleaning. The idea is to clean the floor using a constantly refreshed roller instead of dragging dirt around. Unlike traditional mopping systems, the X8 Pro OMNI features a built-in dual water tank that keeps clean and dirty water separate. This allows the roller to be continuously supplied with fresh water, while dirty water is collected and returned to the OMNI Station at the end of the cleaning cycle. Located on the side of the robot, the bin empty port connects to the OMNI Station after each clean. The station uses powerful suction to automatically transfer the collected dust and debris into its sealed dust bag. That's everything that's visible from the top, but what about underneath? Here you'll find the Zero Tangle 2, where hair wrapping around the robot vacuum brushes has always been one of the biggest frustrations. So Ecovacs has redesigned the main brush with its Zero Tangle 2 system. Using a combination of V-shaped bristles, a spiral brush and integrated comb teeth, it's designed to reduce tangles before they become a problem. The X8 Pro offers up to 18,000 pascals, making it a very powerful and capable robot vacuum. Combined with the carpet boost, it's designed to tackle everything from fine dust on a hard floor or deeper dirt trapped in carpets. To improve edge cleaning, Ecovacs includes its True Edge 2 technology. During edge cleaning, the Osmo roller dynamically extends towards skirting boards and furniture to maximize cleaning coverage. Working alongside the True Edge 3D sensor, the robot continuously adjusts the roller's position to stay close to edges, while avoiding collisions, helping it clean areas that many robot vacuums would otherwise miss. It's also capable of climbing thresholds up to 20mm, making it suitable for most homes without getting stuck between rooms. Power comes from a 6,400 mAh battery with automatic recharge and resume if it ever needs to top itself up before finishing a clean. After using the X8 Pro OMNI for around a year, let's see how all of those features actually perform in everyday life. So what's it actually like living with the X8 Pro OMNI every day? It's become one of those smart home devices that quietly gets on with its job in the background. I've got it scheduled to clean automatically, so most days I don't even think about vacuuming. It simply heads out, cleans the house and returns to the dock once it's finished. Over the past year, it's proven to be extremely reliable. It maps the house accurately, follows logical cleaning routes, and very rarely gets itself into a situation where it needs rescuing. For everyday cleaning, it's done an excellent job of keeping on top of dust, crumbs, pet hair, and the little bits of mess that naturally build up throughout the day. Has it completely replaced my traditional vacuum and mop? Not quite. For for deeper cleans or heavily soiled areas, I still reach for dedicated vacuums and mops. It's time to put the X8 Pro OMNI through a series of tests, starting with vacuuming, because no matter how good the app or dock is, if it can't clean your floors properly, none of the other features really matter. Over the past year, the X8 Pro OMNI has been cleaning a mix of hard floors, rugs and carpets throughout my home, and overall I've been really impressed with its cleaning performance. On hard floors, it has no trouble picking up everyday dust, crumbs and larger debris. Whether it's cereal, rice or general dirt that gets walked in from outside, it consistently leaves the floors looking clean. The robot automatically detects when it transitions onto carpet and increases its suction power. In day-to-day use, it's done a great job lifting dust, hair and everyday debris from our carpets without me needing to manually change any settings. To test the vacuuming performance, I placed a mixture of crushed cereal, smaller cereal pieces and larger cereal pieces, and torn tissue paper onto hard floor. The X8 Pro OMNI handles this test well, using a combination of its rotating side brush and up to 18,000 pascals of suction to guide debris towards the main brush before vacuuming it away. As you'll notice, there's one characteristic that's common with most robot vacuums. If debris sits right on the outer edge of the side brush, it occasionally can be flicked away before being collected. However, once it's guided into the robot's cleaning path, it's picked up without any trouble. Despite that, it has no issues dealing with a mixture of fine and larger debris, and the tissue paper is collected just as effortlessly. If a few small pieces are left behind, you can also configure the robot to clean each area twice instead of once, giving it a second opportunity to collect anything it may have missed. For everyday crumbs and dry debris, I don't think many people would have any complaints about the vacuuming performance. Mopping is one of the X8 Pro OMNI's biggest selling points. To see how well it performs, I've created 3 everyday spill scenarios using water, milk and ketchup. On its first pass, it deals with the water and ketchup surprisingly well, but struggles to remove the milk. Rather than simply moving on, the X8 Pro OMNI continues to assess the area using Ecovacs AI instant remop technology, automatically deciding whether additional passes are needed. Although the second pass doesn't make a huge difference, the robot continues evaluating the floor and eventually on the third pass removes all of the remaining liquid. Thankfully, spills like this are unlikely to be an everyday occurrence, but it's reassuring to know the robot is capable of dealing with them without needing immediate intervention. Another feature I really like is that the robot monitors the condition of its Osmo roller while cleaning. If it detects that the roller has become too dirty, it automatically returns to the OMNI Station for a deeper wash before continuing exactly where it left off. For me, that's one of the biggest advantages of the X8 Pro OMNI. It isn't designed to replace a deep manual mop every time, but for keeping hard floors clean on a daily basis. It's done an excellent job and removed another regular household chore from my routine. One of the biggest improvements we've seen in robot vacuums over the last few years is obstacle avoidance, and this is where Ecovacs AIVI 3D3 OMNI approach technology comes into play. Around most homes there are plenty of everyday objects that can catch a robot vacuum out, so I've set up a few simple tests using items likely to encounter. Starting with Woody, the robot immediately recognises the obstacle and plans an alternative route. Although it gently nudges the toy, it still attempts to clean as close as possible by extending the Osmo roller around it, while avoiding gaps that it knows it can't pass through safely. Moving on to the water bottle, the result is very similar. Rather than leaving a large area untouched, the robot carefully works around the obstacle to maximise its cleaning coverage. It's clear the X8 Pro OMNI is always trying to clean as much of the available floor as physically possible. Where I've found it struggles is with smaller objects that sit low to the ground, particularly pens. The colouring pencil is simply flicked out of the way but felt tip pen is a different story. When I receive the notification that the robot is stuck, I can almost guarantee one of my kids has left a felt tip pen on the floor. It's almost the perfect size to slip past the roller guard before becoming trapped in the main brush. As you can see on the screen, it fits incredibly tight, which stops the brush from rotating and brings the cleaning cycle to an end. To be fair, this isn't a problem that's unique to Ecovacs. Most robot vacuums would struggle in the exact same situation. The lesson here is simple. If you've got young children, it's worth doing a quick sweep for pens and small stationery before starting a cleaning cycle. Although the OMNI Station automates much of the maintenance, there are still a few tasks you'll need to carry out from time to time. Fortunately, most of the components are easy to remove and clean. I normally start by emptying the dustbin and giving it a quick clean before checking the filter. The filter can also be washed with water, although Ecovacs recommends allowing it to dry for 24 hours before refitting it. Turning the robot over, you'll find the main brush and Osmo roller can be both removed, making it easy to clear away any hair or debris that may have built up over time. To be honest, I haven't spent as much time cleaning the robot for this demonstration as I normally would, but regular maintenance is something that I try to stay on top of. It only takes a few minutes and helps keep the robot performing at its best. The good news is that you don't have to remember everything yourself. The Ecovacs app monitors the condition of the robot and notifies you when maintenance is due. It also includes step-by-step guides showing exactly what needs cleaning and how to do it. Compared to older robot vacuums I've owned, the X8 Pro OMNI requires surprisingly little day-to-day maintenance, thanks to everything the OMNI Station does automatically. The OMNI Station is a huge part of what makes the X8 Pro OMNI such a premium robot vacuum. It's much more than just a charging dock. It automates many of the day-to-day tasks that you'd normally have to do yourself. It houses a separate 4 litre clean and dirty water tank, with both tanks featuring a slight tint so you can easily check the level without removing the lid. Removing the tanks couldn't be simpler. They simply lift straight out of the station. I normally refill the clean water tank at the sink and empty the dirty water tank down the toilet. They're both well sealed, and even after a year of use, I haven't noticed any unpleasant smells coming from the station. Beneath the tank you'll find the cleaning solution reservoir. When required, you simply top it up, and through the Ecovacs app you can even adjust how much cleaning solution is dispensed during each cleaning cycle. You'll also find the sealed dust bag hidden away here. Depending on how much debris has been collected, the robot will automatically return to the station either during or at the end of a cleaning cycle to empty its internal dustbin.
About to start auto empty.
The same applies during mopping. The station automatically washes the Osmo roller.
Starting hot air drying.
Hardware is only half the experience. The Ecovacs app is where you'll spend most of your time setting schedules, customizing cleaning routines, and managing the robot. Initial mapping is quick, and once complete, you can rename rooms, merge or divide spaces, create no-go zones, and even switch between 2D or 3D view of your home. Beneath the map you'll find all of your cleaning settings, including vacuum only or vacuum and mop modes, suction power, water flow, cleaning speed and more. Personally, I've left almost everything set to maximum and haven't had any issues with the battery life or cleaning performance. Digging into the advanced settings, you can customize the cleaning sequence, define quiet hours when the robot won't operate, and adjust carpet behavior, such as automatically increasing suction or cleaning carpets before mopping. You'll also find several AI settings, including options to adjust the sensitivity of Ecovacs AIVI 3D3 obstacle avoidance system. One feature I use regularly is temporary cleaning. It lets you quickly draw a zone on the map, send the robot to clean just that area. It's perfect for those unexpected spills, especially when your toddler decides they're old enough to pour their own milk. The station settings are equally customizable. You can adjust how frequently the dustbin is emptied, choose how thoroughly the roller is washed, and configure several other maintenance options. I've always left mine set to deep clean, so I know the robot is ready for the next cleaning cycle. Tapping the robot icon in the top right gives you access to cleaning history, maintenance reminders, and detailed step-by-step guides, showing exactly how to clean each component when the time comes. Finally, the app also includes Ecovacs' built-in AI voice assistant, Yeeko. Personally, I don't use it as Siri fits better into my Apple Home setup. As this works with my home, I couldn't finish the review without talking about Apple Home integration. The good news is that the X8 Pro OMNI supports Matter, meaning you can add it directly into Apple Home app. However, because robot vacuum support in Matter is still relatively new, the functionality is fairly limited compared to using the Ecovacs app. You won't find the same level of control that you're used to with lights, locks or thermostats. There's no interactive map or access to the robot's advanced settings. Instead, Apple Home gives you the basics. You can start or stop a clean, choose the cleaning mode, select which rooms to clean, and choose between a standard or deep clean. So after living with the Ecovacs X8 Pro OMNI for around a year, what do I really think? Overall, I've genuinely enjoyed using it. It cleans well, the roller mopping system is one of the best I've used, the OMNI Station removes most of the maintenance you'd normally expect from a robot vacuum. More importantly, it's become one of those products that quietly gets on with its job in the background. That's exactly what I want from a smart home device. That doesn't mean it's perfect. There are still a few things I'd like to see improved. Apple Home integration is limited. You still need to carry out occasional maintenance, and although obstacle avoidance is excellent, I still wouldn't deliberately leave cables or small objects lying around, expecting it to avoid everything. But before we weigh up everything after a full year of ownership, there's only one verdict I can give. For me, the Ecovacs X8 Pro OMNI gets an add it to your basket. The X8 Pro OMNI is consistent with its cleaning, extremely reliable, and after a year of ownership, it still does exactly what Ecovacs designed it to do. The only reason I'm not giving it a checkout is because Ecovacs has since released newer models with additional features, although they do come at a higher price point. If you're shopping in this price range, however, I'd have no hesitation recommending the X8 Pro OMNI. It still offers flagship level features, excellent cleaning performance, and can often be found on sale, making it a fantastic value for money. Perhaps the best compliment I can give it is that after a year of daily use, I'd still be happy to recommend it today. If you've got any questions about the X8 Pro OMNI, let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you've owned one yourself, I'd love to hear what your experience has been after living with it. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and leave a comment for more Apple Home and smart home content. Thanks for watching, and remember, if it isn't broken, don't fix it. I'll catch you in the next one.